What's up? Good afternoon. Wagwan, speak my mind. Family, women, One Nation progressive people, them there. One Nation progressive people. One there. Speak my mind, family. Welcome back to another video. The all non-progressive people, them. The narcissists, them. The non-character people, them. The clown people, them. The non-relevant people, them. The house bottom people, stagnant people. Lightning phone. Yeah, man. Lightning phone, man. Why go on, my people? Why me come across on video, yeah? Because, trust me, I don't know. Me had to see her from why I don't know what me to her. Come like the husband beat her up, so sometimes her face swell up. Or it come like probably one of the false teeth broke on the plate. And it a stick her in her gum, so she hardly can chat, or she a chat and me no know. You don't know how me a talk. The old lizard. You understand? I come across on video and people, me don't know. And me don't think me wrong and me make the wrong judgment. But this girl a come like, she not have the money for pay nobody. Me not gonna say she have the money for pay nobody. But she definitely willfully set up people for calling on her program. I like them of what to say from what not to say. And why I said this, I vividly remembered one time me I listen a live fear and a woman calling. And when the woman calling, the woman was like, as she calling, you know, either calling for her program and you say good afternoon or good evening or whatsoever. Yes. I do all the details. It's when the woman calling, the woman just start chat instant. And rapid. Kawa. It's like the woman, whatever them tell the woman and coax the woman for say, the woman just want to get it off because she don't want to forget. And when she try to stop the woman in her tracks, the woman to the woman, you know, lay out something where she must lay out it look like. She say, no, sir, but, and she pass the woman and to let us hear the woman cut off. So basically, it is obvious, say this woman here, Larry the Lizard, I set up people for call and tell them what to say. Right now, me have a live here where I gotta dissect my people. I want to listen it keenly. All these people are non-relevant. These people are just seeking relevancy and clowning out themselves at the same time. Because Lorraine, she just did and she not sure when she laugh, you know. Because you want me now. She don't want to make the mistake and the fast tea drop out on camera. So that's probably one of the main things why she not really show up herself. She stay in the dark. We know she hard for look pan, but me not think of the hard for look pan part alone. Yeah, man. She hard for look pan, me not think of that alone. But people, me could get into it. Listen, she and her call them on the phone and make a fool of themselves. Like them feel like sensible people. I go take on to them foolishness. More than just the little handful of them we organize the whole thing and orchestrate it. If it come publicly just to try carry down 99. And then move from stages to stages to stages to stages to them reach skyscraper. Them can't use stage no more. Them have to use elevator. Cause a skyscraper them a climb now. Cause they move from stages and it not work. So them a go skyscraper so them can't travel the stage no more. Them have to use elevator. So no listen to them how them a go on. Donor money again. You're laughing for what?
When the roping back, the life get cut off. Roping back. We get cut off. Eh? No, me turn the time, but the first life get cut off.
I chop off.
loud and clear what it says. You say it's the charity money put her at that size. And at the same charity money have a man behind her every 5 o'clock I run to take it off.
Take it down. Eh? That means them not love her. Them not love her.
You have a husband now, Lorraine. You live with a man. And you can able to get up and I watch somebody where you despise so much that you can know say she a run. All you know is a man or a woman she have behind her with the camera. You understand? But if it's a woman, you now come say a woman, you want to say it's a man. Because we don't know how to stay and how to love, you know, twist things. But with the life we all live, Lorraine, where is your life? You not live no life for a married woman.
Yeah. Oh God.
You remember how she used to carry Carla and the whole of them and sometimes when Dana get up all the bill and
We should take in Carla. Better Carla you don't talk as she explain what the money I done to Dana.
Yeah, watch Carla she up on the line.
No, she a run off, he can't come off. I'm not saying nothing you're saying.
Oh. I know, so Carla, so you're saying, right? Is the money that buying those heap of machine to care about small?
Yes, no.
So people that Jamaica are dead for hungry. You and Lorraine and the whole only can identify that. Instead of come on the platform, come sit down every day. I watch out 99. I watch out donor money. I watch who I get this. I watch Maga man I pretend like him mad. And I watch all those things. Won't not take the time out and try to help somebody. You might not have a big name, but if you have 20, 30 in the circles, if each one put even say $5, calculate that. You understand what I say? Plus, who can Ghana as a supporter we are calling for on a program and whatsoever. And say it come help a needy person. Make us see so now do something. Make us see so now try something. But you not try nothing. But you not try tear down something. You see the mindset you have? You not try nothing, but you not try tear down something. We are help people. And you not help nobody, but yet still you not come on the platform. Look what people of Jamaica hungry. They want to that. They're not the Prime Minister of Jamaica. They're not food for the poor. They're not Salvation Army. Eh? Those are legal places that give to the poor. Dana just see fit to in herself and her kindness to pick up a venture and carry out a mantle where God give to her. It work out that she garner a lot of people who back her into what she's doing, all because of her honesty and the love which them sis she have for people and people believe in her. Uno can do the same thing. You understand? When you go downtown and whole heap of store downtown, the first 5 store what me down there, the rest of the store them never say them now go open again because them now go sell. Them still open. And have hopes to sell. And the day one might sell more than one. Boy, me I tell you no, hey, uno terrible, you know. Uno pass terrible.
Put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Eh? And people is in Jamaica were really in need. They're really hungry. So Carla, what you think about the goat?
Dana is heading for a heart attack. Uno get more than a heart attack, you know. Cause the God where Dana and righteous people serve. You understand? The God where Dana and righteous people serve. Now allow her to get a heart attack. Uno go and get it. All I want to wish you not go get it. No worry.
No, me not hear the goat from the why me not get it fast. I want let the goat come back with the head.
No.
It have an head.
goat, them have to buy by the goat, so them have to buy by the whole body part.
That means I say no. That somebody has to
Lorraine, take cover,
They cover me. When they come about the goat, me rock for it.
So, don't want to buy back fresh goat. That's a problem. Money again on a problem. How much I donate towards buying back the goat if I goat for buy back? None of you. How much donor, no donor, we are donate to the program, we are sleep on the yard, we are come beg on a night dinner, we are come beg on a dollar. Which donor you know, I do that too. So you can come on the phone and do what you want to on the live show, you have internet for do what you want to and criticize which donor a stress you know. And at the same time I take for them money, I give to charity, a Dana, a Jamaica. None at all. So why you continue to have a problem? And that you come tell the people, you know. Because you know have it say you know beat down charity. But I know charity you know beat down. And it is clear. Even you know own where did that see but I don't come and say I know charity you know beat down. Harry come and talk. Cause him did get trick and think a charity you know beat down. So him did join the flock. But in the long when him realize it's not about charity. It's about jealousy. It's about ready eye, covetousness. It's not all about seeing somebody do something wrong and you want to stop it or you want to correct it. It's all about just being jealous of the person. Grudgeful of the person. Because it's like it should have been you. Hey, she alone have this privilege here and go thousands and millions of dollars and as she open her mouth things work. No, sir, some want to have it too. And true, you can't have it that way there. You try stop it. As me say in my days, when you go to a woman, you check a man and beg a man a thing and him a give you and your friend run come. Give me a thing to know. You cut him all a box or two. Worse if you not get it because when I do a sow, him a sow you, you know. And the man who did plan for give you can change his mind and nobody give you because to him run come. And the man have enough to give to share for the two away. Or to own run come to the man just say, I don't have none, you know. You understand? So you call it ready eye jealous. You can't just stand up and allow me if you achieve what me achieve. And go look your achievement elsewhere. And it with uno now, we have a platform we can do that. I want to feel if you do it. We don't do the opposite of it.
Why? Every time I say the vote, see me a baby show no. Let me show no. When me say the why do I have to pay back for the goat? My cover the less over me them, me. Cover? Cover?
You hear them? None really fun clown them. Them just a laugh and go where me not see no joke. Me not see no joke. Me not see nothing of understanding. Me not see nothing where them a try get across. Where they go out there? Why don't I have to pay back for the goat? Me never see people can sit down and just laugh off of themselves. So. Me never see people can just sit down and tell themselves things and just believe themselves of the lie where them a tell themselves. Me never see people can just sit down and plan things and them and them friends just come on the internet and translate what them a plan and believe the whole of it. And nothing of the sort no go so. Because they are miles away. But at the same time, them know things will go on here. So, and hear the thing now. Oh, you go on, me have people under the bed. Oh, you go on. And them don't know, them go to even know a jack man a Mountain View. But them make it look as if people that Mountain View I tell them things. Sometimes them go as far as make it look like say boy, oh, are the same people them where you have in your house. Go for a cup of water for me there. Go to the kitchen and look around there, so. Move that for me there. So they make it look sometime, you know. Like them a try to be nickel the people them around the woman. For the woman start get weary and weary of who is around her. Because of all them talk. It's a good thing that Donna devil listen them like that. Because most times Donna they probably even listen them your old slime ya. You know them long time they assistant there where you take days and weeks and months to probably score worse the one them in a tenement yard. We have 5, 6, 7, 8 different family living in one tenement yard. And the system to score one issue and the old lady now score white card them. I said me did score white last week, you did score white this week. And them type of slime that them people here is T Lady, Marcia, Lorraine and our crew. Them come like them old time slime there. You ever go and see it and when you there see you on the shores for the stone them there, you have to be careful of how you step on certain stone because the maras so they on it slime. If you step on it, you slide you're gone. Jesus. Oh, them cranny, man. Them cranny. Sometimes you can't even stand to see them the way them cranny. Cause can you believe it upon the internet you just a laugh at ghosts and nobody can see where you laugh at? Nobody can see the point where you get across. No, sir, you stay bad. You don't stay bad in the mouth. You don't stay bad in the looks. You stay bad in every way, shape, and form. When all the United States pound truck a pass to take up loose animal off of the road, and so them must pass, Cause you did that going like your goat, but meh. Yeah, man, pound truck must pass, man. It fit you, man. You look like one of them nice white rammy, and you're a female. So for sure, you the looks what you have. You have a muscular look in your face, not in your body, in your face. Your face have like a muscular look that it full of hole. One patch out. National Solid Waste Agency, a rainy time them love patch out, them to come look for you and patch out your face, see you.
Back in your eye, no white, black. So the board now can't damage your time, I think so. But I wanna with that man. The eye look like a way we can't do it. No,
Hey! People, wanna tell me if she not sound like a goat? Wanna just tell me? Wanna see what me I say the pound truck must pass all them, yeah?
But we have to laugh over them things that way.
The truth hurt me, no man. I am so nice.
The one good here on the phone, love it.
I like the one there. You can't say them now, the mind of them own, you know. No, sir. I am so nice. My throat hurt me. Go back to the man and make your throat hurt you. I know that I gave a deep throat last night. Make your come on phone about throat hurt you. Go back to the man we give the deep throat. Cause uno, it's like uno make a fool tie a string round uno and just a drown like a puppet. Have a leash pound like some old mangy dog. Nah, sir. My throat hurt me. For you hear you never into the whole thing. You just feel like say if you just call in and just voice, you know, you look a dirty opinion. Because you just grow that way there. Where for always probably bring down people. Go see the big yard where you grew up in now. Your mother could have separated from before you even born. For your mother 2 months pregnant, it come like your father run off left you. From him find out say your mother pregnant. So you know grew up on a proper parental guidance. So you just grew a Lego. Your mother have to fend for herself. For feed, you know. So when your mother gone on the road, you don't have nobody to guide you, so you just do what you feel like. I saw you sound like it on the phone. But Lord, you're so nice. I love you in the pan. Well on the goodie. Well on the make she done, make that call you done. She just have leash pounding like some mangy dog.
Yeah, they do it wrong. And then my boots are up. Yeah. Boy, I'm so proud of you. She go hurt herself because she not do it right. Yesterday we see her Japan.
Everybody becomes fitness trainer. Everybody have a problem with what she had 99 a do. Before she had do what she had do, are this big, our face just so, this Tara not and them criticize. You understand? Now the woman gone back to what she used to do best before charity. Them having problems now and everybody turn fitness trainer. From she and the old lady turn fitness trainer. And them now sissy, them themselves need a personal trainer. You understand? Them no see that. Jay, she said she had Jay auntie, you know. Because true auntie the pan. I'm sure no auntie never did go so. But you see through them tormented. Probably the same so she sound when she asleep at night time. Probably that's why she can't sleep upstairs with Steve. She have to sleep down in the basement. Because me could have never sleep with that woman. The first time me get a woman and sleep with that woman for the first time, I hear the woman a going like a hog in the bed with the snow where she a draw. Not even going up Mount Ross and a truck, not change gear so and bell out so. So not no more than the same way all you hear she a going in a McDonald's. At the same way she going upstairs. You understand? So Steve send her downstairs. Yeah, man. And then not only say, oh, she go on either, you know. Steve good at them not have no feelings to this woman because of her behavior. Because you have a woman, you know, and she have certain behavior around you, you know. It's like she turn you off, you know. But what? Two of them done married already. And then he would have prefer fear a lot before fear more because him not really want to benefit nothing from him. Because this is fear hopes in America, you know. Yeah, man. For Steve, yeah, a lot before fear wants so she can benefit. But you make a sad mistake, and me say Steve have fitness, so you make a sad mistake. You try go out there, go walk and look for your own.
You damage yourself, my sister. Get a personal trainer. You have to one that can pay for that.
No, don't come here about no sister business. The style are the same way how you and normal style are you and your friend them.
You're large like that. Get a personal trainer and let them pay for it. And then them are going to show you your diet.
I'm glad you know. Sazam, by the snap of her finger, she can't get that pay for 1 year. Personal trainer. And she not have to go in her pocket. So you're right on that. And you know that. That's why you're not supposed to come and lap your mouth.
And they eat a big mango there where you eat. And then eat a something there.
You're jealous of them big East Indian then, because you and your friend them afraid to spend $60 to buy even 4 Julie mango. So judge if you know you say boy, you gotta pay $60 for 2 of them East Indian there. Eh? You saw Jamaica nice, Jamaica sweet. People like Uno must they are foreign. Leave foreign to ambitious people. Because people like Uno go foreign to live off of taxpayers' money and government. You know? Free mentality. Because you know, yes, if you go foreign enough, how much picnic government mind them. So someone left you go breed up. Someone who can't breed. When you go, they go look for some man where some ex-profession. Whether you're a soldier or you're a doctor or you're a lawyer. Yeah, when you go look for some of them ex-profession there. Or some man where they are foreign and work their money hard. To them get hold in the work. I want to go there as young girl, go trick them. And pray for them guys shut before phone. But no phone have something else coming too, no man.
Then I can't get up tomorrow morning. And someone lose weight and I lose weight. Look, yeah. Yeah, true. Because the way you go about it. And you are like...
Yeah, because you know, go take all kind of things to lose weight. The woman will lose weight on the natural way. Plus, she's not only losing weight, That exercise what you see Shad is not just about losing weight. It's about fitness also. In different ways. Tightening this muscle, losing the fat from here, building back the muscle there. Because it don't make no sense you lose weight and you not build back the muscles. You understand? You have to lose the weight and do exercise to build back the muscle. So you do exercise to lose the weight and you do exercise to build back the muscles. You understand? And at the same time, she'll get fit. She'll do the fitness part of the program. So there is fitness and losing weight and building muscles. So if you don't understand and come a road and go and a personal trainer, own yourself can train on yourself. When you can't train on yourself, you got tired, go defecate. But you don't want to come tell people what to do in a life. Go on to.
Fight to yourself. Because you know you name the rice and the food same way. And you come out every day with fruit in front of people. People don't fool. I tell you something, you want to know if you lose weight, get 1 tape, 2 tape measure for the hand, 2 for the leg.
Miles away there, you know. And you know that still a name rice and a name this and a name that. Assumption, you assume. And she come out in front of people with the vegetable and the fruits and the ray. Assume. You understand? That's all you live off of assumption. You understand? You don't have to tape measure for know you lose weight. Because if me have this Gans, this marina here, and one time I put it on it suck on me and I start do some exercise. Me close them alone. We couldn't fit me can't tell me say me I lose weight. Because when all me have to do is draw for them, draw for the pants, draw for the shorts, draw for the Gans here, me couldn't put on a couple months or weeks ago. Now that me gone so couple weeks in my exercise. And me know from me draw them man, me good to go, me I lose weight. So me continue to do what me do best. While losing that 5, 6, 7, 8 or 10 pounds, for continue to be losing another 5 or 10 when I want to lose. Me not feel my tape measure get up every day and measure my hand. That's all I know do is watch Dana hand. Watch Dana hand. People don't see the thumbnail of me do pan Curly, she, Kakai, where she in the same sitting there where she have the pan. I mean she actually I would pan now. Cause as me go pan in life, it's like me don't know. She's yeah, see take my picture. And the belly way out so take my picture. Take my picture, and she spread out and the same video where she do the Tina Turner tribute them man. If you don't look on the thumbnail on that video the way me do, when you see me find the area, part of she will come and cuss down about fat and flap and all kind of something. When you see me find the area right her arm, yeah so. And when me right there, Pussy because I saw it look to me. Because you have this big old split and fat, you so stay so, you know? Yeah, like a Pussy. Yeah, like she have one of that on her arm. And when you look over the next side over here, so I see them where you see it just bulge up and shrivel up and shrink up. And she come across people about fat and exercise and big knee. So this is how them go about and do it all the while. Criticize other people while they have so much fault. But what? It come back down to grudge. People can't see for them fault. People can't see for them problem with them have and go about and solve it while they can't. So they have this grudge and jealousy. Yeah, you know, them start talking now. But this whole machine, through them see the woman have a whole different things. Them when she have to do her exercise. It start to be a topic. Them start to say I do no money by it. So at this, so every day the woman move along with her life, them try to follow. But you know, always I get left along the wayside. Larry the Lizard, go get a life, you and your friends. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember to watch the ads and hit that thumbs up. Please remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV oriented channel. Family oriented channel, you know, where you get the cook vlogs, general reasoning, commentary, drama. Most of the drama them are rated PG. When we see that pin, when we see that in the title. So you know, say if you have a little son, a little daughter side of here, you know, say boy under here, you know, say you send them away if you have a prep that video there. That little old man sometimes can be very rude, and I me get most of my little drama them from. You understand? If you don't go up on the main channel and see a couple with him, You understand? And as you know, me I work on the, you know, the adventure them. But as me say, me have to get this channel monetized for put some work and some effort and some finance into the adventure them, because adventure take money, people. You understand? And as me telling you, me is not really a businessman, me is an investor. You understand? And at the same time, you can't have 3 business, 2 are carry down one, and the one have to stand up and try back up the whole 2. No. Get rid of that 2 and continue with that one there. And know, say boy, you're going to rethink again and go back to the drawing board, which other adventure you can go in. You understand? So, me can't put money in adventures. Because adventure take money. Worse, you have to go get other people. You have to get man for hold your camera. You have to get man for do this, do that. You understand? So, it's just all about that, my people. So, we just have to do the thing and do it to the best of your ability. So, just go and support the channel to get it monetized, my people. When you see me now, I'm not cash up, no dash up, no pash up. Me now come out and come beg no money. You understand? Whatever YouTube give me, and I can put my personal one Twitter and do it because of something I love, I will do it. Alright, my people? Thanks for watching again. I'm out.